You just found the 2022 Ford F-150. Enjoy a new level of ease and confidence whether at work or play when you're in this F-150. Available features let you customize its hard-working bed, and a unique combination of military-grade aluminum alloy and high-strength steel give you the edge with class-leading towing and payload capabilities. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, alarm, steering wheel audio controls, electronic stability control, intermittent wipers, traction control, passenger vanity mirror, tire pressure monitoring system, adjustable steering wheel, trip computer. Get more out of a light-duty pickup than you ever thought possible. This F-150 is waiting just for you. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.